my good fans. This is Tony White Plumbing Training. We do a lot of maintenance. We do a lot of things in terms of to maintain your taps, your bath mixers. All these things you see in my hands are tools. Let me dive to the business of the day. Okay, this is a bath mixer. You can see, look at the skeleton of it. A bath mixer. You can see the skeleton of it. To tell you that this mixer does not mean that it is bad. It is not bad. So I'm trying to tell you that this mixer can turn new again. This mixer can turn new again only if you know what you are doing. Like, this is the engine of this thing that will make this mixer work very well. Some people have faults in their own houses. A bath mixer like this can have leakage. This thing alone is only what makes it leak. You can see. You can see. So if this mixer has leakages, you can see I'm trying to fix it so that we can have the mixer back again. Look at me trying to fix the leg of it so we can be able to have this mixer again, while I will show you how the leakage starts. This is my Allen key, the size 10 of it. Trying to tighten it back. Trying to tighten it back. Tony White Plumbing Training deals with all kinds of plumbing materials. If you think you want to maintain your bath mixer, your tap, maybe you don't have money of buying the new one at a very particular time, we can do that maintenance for you while you still use your mixer. Look at it. It's becoming slowly. Gradually we are going to get this mixer back. And see, this is the engine of which I'm losing it to show you the things that are inside. Look at it. You can see it. So I'm trying to couple it back so that you know that this thing alone is only what causes leakage. Trying to fix it back so that you have what, as you can see, once you couple it like this, look at it, then we are trying to fix it back. Now we can have this mixer back to life. Okay, instead of using this pipe wrench, I'll use the simple one that can make it very fast for me. I see. We are trying to have this mixer back, and this is the head. This is the head of the mixer, of which I'm bringing my screwdriver to tighten the head. Yes, you can see we are having back this mixer. We are having back this mixer. See, this mixer has come back to life. This mixer has come back to life. You can see. Look at that very mixer. You can see it's turning to a new very mixer. So once this mixer has a fault and maybe you want to maintain the mixer, you can come to Tony White Plumbing Training. Come to Tony White Plumbing Training so that you'll be able to have some things done at affordable price. As you see this mixer, the way we maintain this mixer, the same way we maintain everything that has to do with plumbing materials. You may not have the money to buy a new one at a very particular time, but once you come to Tony White Plumbing Training, you explain to us that you don't have this money at that very particular time. It means we can be able to maintain this mixer for you. We can be able to maintain your siphon for you, a top grade siphon. We can do those things. Anything concerning your system, we can adjust, maintain them very well for you so that you have what you want. Concerning plumbing materials, we want you to have that good knowledge of us. Yes, when it comes to maintaining of any kind material, any plumbing materials of all kinds, we have them. So we want you to turn to your notification, subscribe to this channel, share, like and comment.